Are you also sick and tired of boring oatmeal? Today, that's over. I will be sharing the most simple and easy, most enjoyable way to eat your oatmeal. Let's get into it. The first thing we need is something to make it in. Set it over and heat it up. We are of course also going to be using some oats. I also have 2 bananas and 1 date. It's going to be chopped up and be put in as a sweetener. This is all made with almond milk. You can use water or any other kind of liquid you want, maybe juice. And this will basically be the base of the entire oatmeal. Some oats, some bananas, a date to sweeten it, and the almond milk. Let's make some oatmeal. Adding in a desired amount of oats. We're just frying this. Get the best taste out of it. Cinnamon. Top it with cinnamon, as along with some vanilla and a little bit of pink Himalayan sea salt, maybe 1 teaspoon of all. Take it off and add about 2 deciliters of almond milk to get it going. It's now time for the bananas. Put it in there. 2 bananas. Mash those bananas. Smash it. You can use a fork to do this. Smash it all up into pieces. Vanilla, cinnamon flavor with banana. Add some more almond milk if it gets too thick. Now this just stands here with low heat while we are cutting up some almonds, cutting up the date and putting it in. Cutting this date in pieces. Small little piece. A medjool date for the sweetness. We add this in, stir it around. Some chopped almonds, fatty omegas, keep you full for long. Will give a great taste. I just love almonds. You can put in nut butters in this recipe too. So if you want and desire, you could add peanut butter, you could add almond butter. We're going to add this. You could also, if you wanted to add some, if you wanted more sweet, add a little bit of acacia honey. Or if you wanted to, you could add apples right now. I actually have this little apple from yesterday. I will use, cut in small pieces and cook with the oatmeal. So let's head over there and see how it goes. So how are you doing? Beginning to look a lot like, I don't know, not the typical boring oatmeal that you're used to. This is packed and full of flavor. Hope so. What we can do is let this sit, begins to become more creamy as time goes. Just take a little taste at it. It's so good. So this is basically done now on low heat. Maybe 10 minutes until I have my fruit cut up. Let's head over to it. So when you prepare this breakfast, you can actually prepare for multiple days at once. So when I'm doing this, I will make 2. 1 for today and 1 for tomorrow. Some nice, delicious, fresh fruit to top this not so boring oatmeal with. Delicious fruit, fresh, filled with nutrients. It's gonna make you well. It's almost gonna be like a dessert, like cake. Remember to stir in our broth over here. If you want to, you can add even more milk to make it more creamy. You have to look and feel when you're doing it and making it. You can really customize and make it into your own awesome oatmeal. Instead of boring oatmeal, why not make awesome oatmeal? That is what we're doing today. Is this good content? Of course it is. You don't even have to question this. You have a great machine, your body, and that needs a lot of good fuel. So if you start the day off with fueling it with powerful medicine, then you will be set for success. You will be set up for pure awesomeness. You're going to tackle everyday life. I'm just rambling right here. just sharing this happy recipe with you. The joy of oatmeal. It's not so boring anymore. I remember back then when I started eating oatmeal, I would just add a little bit of oats, put it inside of the microwave for 2 minutes. It was just with water and nothing exciting about that. Maybe if I was a little bit spontaneous, I would add salt to the mix. Salt, water and oats into the microwave for 2 minutes and you have yourself a delicious gourmet oatmeal. Nope, not really. It wasn't something you looked into getting. This vibrant meal full of water and minerals and vitamins and whatnot. It's gonna fuel you for a day of success. This is so done right now. Added a little bit of extra almond milk and yeah, I think it's ready. Great breakfast then. Oh, one thing I forgot to add to this one. Peanut butter. This chunky peanut butter right here I could have added. It's gonna be for another time. Maybe for another video where I make this whole video one more time better and put a little more effort into the creation of the video with better scenes and better B-rolls, you know. This is not so fancy, not so beautiful. It really tastes good and I get something to eat now and I get something to eat tomorrow. I don't know, do you eat breakfast or are you on the intermittent fasting schedule? You can comment down below what do you eat as a breakfast? I just came out of intermittent fasting schedule, started to enter this breakfast cult once again. I have a goal to take on about 10 to 13 kilos of muscle. That is really requiring a lot of calories and food intake in order for that to happen. I can't just fast for 20 hours per day and expect amazing results. Amazing results with taking on body weight. No, that's not how you do it. If you want to take on body weight, you have to eat not only just a little, you have to eat a lot. Every day you have to eat huge amounts of food. And if you're just like me, then you can eat whatever you want and doesn't actually do shit. It doesn't do anything with your body. You can just eat and eat and eat. So this breakfast maybe takes about 15 to 20 minutes to make if you are a fast ninja. I think I've maybe used over 1 hour today because I had to film and shoot all this. It's gonna be interesting to see how this goes. You can basically just add whatever fruit you want, but this can be eaten entirely as by itself. You can put everything that you want inside of your oatmeal. It is your oatmeal when you're making oatmeal. Remember that. There's no rules for oatmeal. And if you don't like oatmeal, just change the recipe for one that you like better. I don't know if oatmeal is actually that healthy, but I've chosen the gluten-free version, so I think I'm good. I don't know. It feels good. We got ourselves 2 awesome portions of this and a lot of a little bit of cleaning to do. Let's top this off with some chia seed. So yeah, we did it. We actually made ourselves a oatmeal, a fantastical oatmeal filled and packed with nutrients and vitamins and minerals. This will make you feel satiated for hours. Not only is packed and filled with vitamins, it also tastes amazing. It's like orgasm in your mouth. So no more boring oatmeal. It's over from today. No more need for boring oatmeal. You can add whatever you want. And if you haven't already seen wild banana blueberry smoothie right about here. You can check that video out and subscribe to the channel down there if you haven't already. We will make a better video next time. I'll make good content one day. One day it will come. Remember to breathe deeply. See you.